Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix something went wrong. There is an issue and the page could not be loaded on iPhone. So guys, if you're getting the error like this while opening your Instagram account, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to close this page. Basically it's happened guys when you have downloaded any third party app and you have also opened that third party app in the background. Maybe that's why it's not working. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to launch the settings app. Now from here guys, you have to scroll it down, then tap on privacy and security, tap on location services. From here you have to turn this off, and you can also turn off background app refresh. For that you have to scroll it down, then tap on general. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on background app refresh. From here you have to turn off the Instagram and then go back. Now after that you have to tap on iPhone storage. Now from here you have to wait some second and locate for the Instagram. So let me search for the Instagram here guys. So from here you have to locate for that app and just simply have to offload the app. Now after offloading the app guys, just simply have to uninstall the app from your iPhone and then force restart your device. Okay guys, and after that you have to download the app again, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.